Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. I hope you will be doing extremely well. So if you want to improve your spoken English, so these sentences can help you while having conversation. So first sentence is तुम बहुत झूठ बोलते हो. You lie too much. You lie too much. A person who lies is called liar. Okay, you lie too much. तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है? What is your intention? इरादे को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं इंटेंशन. What is your intention? अपने बाप को मत सिखा. सो इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ रूड सेंटेंस. व्हेन यू आर इन एंग्री मूड यू कैन से डोंट टीच योर फादर. डोंट टीच योर फादर. सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ एनीथिंग बैड इज हैपनिंग टू समबडी, सो आप खुश हैं एट दैट मोमेंट, सो यू कैन से टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मैं भगवान का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. यू शुड बी वॉट एवर द गॉड हैज़ गिवन टू यू, सो यू शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट. आई एम थैंकफुल टू गॉड. आई एम थैंकफुल टू गॉड. मैं तुम्हारा मुंह फोड़ दूंगा. सो इट्स इंग्लिश विल बी आई विल स्मैश योर फेस. आई विल स्मैश योर फेस. यह संयोग से हुआ. इट मीन्स बाई चांस. इट हैपन्ड बाई चांस. गलती से हुआ तो उस जगह आप बोलेंगे इट हैपन्ड बाई मिस्टेक. यह तुम्हारा पहला दिन है स्कूल का. इट्स योर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल. इट्स योर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ स्पेशल डे फॉर एवरीवन. मुझे अपना दिन कैसे शुरू करना चाहिए? दैट पर्सन इज आस्किंग हाउ शुड आई स्टार्ट माई डे. हाउ शुड आई स्टार्ट माई डे. आपको अपना दिन मुस्कुराहट के साथ शुरू करना चाहिए. यू शुड स्टार्ट योर डे विद अ स्माइल. यू शुड स्टार्ट योर डे विद अ स्माइल. यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है. एनीथिंग कैन हैपन हीयर. एनीथिंग मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. कैन हैपन यहाँ हीयर. कैन इज़ अ मॉडल वर्ब यूज्ड एज. मेरे पास इस लड़के के लिए बहुत समय है. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर दिस बॉय. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर दिस बॉय. क्योंकि वो मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. बिकॉज ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. बिकॉज ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आई कैन टॉक टू हिम फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. मेरे पास हमेशा उसके लिए बहुत समय है. आई ऑलवेज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर हिम. आई ऑलवेज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर हिम. मैंने तुम्हारी सफाई नहीं मांगी. आई डिडंट आस्क फॉर योर क्लैरिफिकेशन. डिडंट इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ डिड एंड नॉट. आई डिडंट आस्क फॉर योर क्लैरिफिकेशन. तुमने ज़रूर कुछ गलत किया होगा. यू मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग. यू मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग. समबडी इज गैसिंग. इसलिए तुम्हारे पास कोई जवाब नहीं है. दैट्स वाई यू हैव नो आंसर. सो वी डोंट हैव क्लैरिफिकेशन ऑफ समथिंग इफ वी हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग. ओके, मैं भी उसका बाप हूँ. So you probably heard of this sentence so many times in Hindi. So its English will be I am also his father. I am also his father. क्या तुम सच में नौकरी छोड़ने वाले हो? Are you really going to quit your job? Are you really going to quit your job? वो क्रिकेट में काफ़ी अच्छा है. He is much better at cricket. He is much better at cricket. वो क्रिकेट में काफ़ी सुधर रहा है. It means he is improving a lot in terms of playing cricket. He is getting much better at cricket. He is getting much better at cricket. वो क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता है. It means he has chosen cricket as his profession, as his career. He wants to be a cricketer. He wants to be a cricketer. स्थिति सुधर रही है. The situation is getting better. The situation is getting better. मैं तुम्हें छोड़ने वाला नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्पेयर यू. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग स्पेयर यू कैन ऑल्सो से आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लीव यू. यू कैन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट गोइंग टू एज गोना. उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा किया. When somebody works really well, so you can appreciate that guy in terms of speaking this sentence. They did much better. They did much better. So here comes our question of the day in which I am going to ask you a translation of a sentence. So the translation is मुझे तुम्हारी मुस्कुराहट से प्यार है. So you have to translate this sentence into English. उसने मेरा दिल चुरा लिया. He stole my heart. he stole my heart. It is also past indefinite tense. आपको अपने परिवार से प्यार करना चाहिए because nobody is greater than our family. We should love our family. You should love your family. You should love your family. क्या तुमने अपने हाथ धो लिए हैं? If you are just going to sit for a food and somebody can ask you, have you washed your hands? Have you washed your hands? तुम्हारे हाथ बहुत गंदे हैं. Your hands are very dirty. Your hands are very dirty. मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बाद में बता दूंगा. I will tell you everything later. When you don't have time at the moment, when somebody is asking you, so you can reply that guy, I will tell you everything later. So now just let it be. हम वहाँ कुछ ही देर में पहुँच जाएंगे. We will get there in no time. We will get is showing as the sense of reaching somewhere. We will get there in no time. वो पैसे के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता है. So you can say he can do anything for money. या फिर ऐसे बोल सकते हैं he can do anything for the sake of money. समझना बहुत कठिन हो गया. It became difficult to understand. When something becomes complicated and it becomes very difficult to understand, so you can say it became difficult to understand. सब कुछ बदल गया है. Everything has changed. Everything has changed. It is present perfect tense and third form of the verb will be used over here. तुमने मेरी इज्जत मिट्टी में मिला दी है. You have spoiled my reputation. You have spoiled my reputation. तुमने पूरा खेल बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. ढक्कन खोल दो. सो यू कैन से इन इंग्लिश ओपन द लिड, या फिर आप लिड की जगह कवर भी बोल सकते हैं. ओपन द कवर. यू कैन यूज बोथ ऑफ द वर्ड्स. तुम मेरे गवाह हो. व्हेन समबडी हैज सीन एनी मूवमेंट while standing there, so you can call him as a witness. You are my witness. You are my witness. मैं घर जाकर डिनर खाऊंगा. I will go home and have dinner. I will go home and have dinner. तुम्हारा परिवार कैसा है? When somebody meets you after a long period of time, so he can ask you, how is your family? How is your family? मेरा भाई घर पर अकेला है. My brother is alone. मतलब अकेला is alone घर पर at home. My brother is alone at home. मैंने अभी खाना खाया है. I have just eaten the food. When somebody is offering you something to eat and you can say I have just eaten the food, I'm full. So you can say I have just eaten the food. मुझे तुम्हारे बिना जीना है. I have to live without you. I have to live without you. क्या तुम अपने फ़ोटोज़ एडिट करते हो? Do you edit your photos? Do you edit your photos? मैंने तुम्हारे फ़ोटोज़ देखे फेसबुक पर. I saw your photos on Facebook. It is past indefinite tense. I saw your photos on Facebook. मैं यह काम तुम्हारी मदद के बिना नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this work without your help. I can't do this work without your help. मैं तकिए के बिना सोऊंगा. If your neck is paining, so you are supposed to sleep without a pillow. I will sleep without a pillow. I will sleep without a pillow. मैंने उसकी जान बचाई. I saved his life. I मतलब मैंने, बचाई, saved because it is past indefinite tense, second form of the verb will be used over here. उसकी ज़िंदगी, his life. मैंने तुम्हारी सलाह नहीं मांगी. I didn't ask for your advice. I didn't ask for your advice. मैं अपने दोस्त के घर पर जा रहा हूँ. I am going to my friend's house. I am going to my friend's house. मुझे उसका फ़ोटो दिखाओ. Show me मतलब मुझे दिखाओ. Show me उसका फ़ोटो. हर फ़ोटो या पिक्चर या पिक कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. मैंने उसे नहीं देखा. I didn't see him. When somebody is asking you, did you see that guy? And you can reply that person, I didn't see him. मैंने उसे नहीं देखा. I didn't see him. मैं इस बारे में कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to say anything about it. I don't want to say anything about it. मैं लड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ. It means if you will pass out any taunt, so everybody will start fighting with you. So you can say I don't want to fight so that I am not going to leave any taunt to anybody. हम इस बारे में बाद में चर्चा करेंगे. We will discuss it later. We will discuss it later. मेरा दिन तुमसे शुरू होता है. My day starts with you. I also asked this sentence in the question of the day section. So most of the people commented well. My day starts with you. वो साथ साथ जा रहे हैं. They are going together. They are going together. ये अच्छा कदम नहीं था. It was not a good step. It was not a good step. You are considering that step as a good in your point of view, but it was not good. तुम्हें यह पत्र किसने दिया? Who gave you this letter? Who gave you this letter? मैंने उसे रंगे हाथों पकड़ लिया. When somebody was doing anything wrong and you caught him red-handed, so you can say I caught him red-handed. I caught him red-handed मतलब रंगे हाथों. मैं बदला लेना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I don't want to take revenge because by taking revenge nothing is going to be happen. So it's not good that if you're gonna be taking revenge from anyone. I don't want to take revenge. You can say. इसमें हंसने की क्या बात है? When nothing is there to laugh about and somebody laughing, so you can just call that guy. What is there to laugh? You are laughing for no reason, so it's just a sign of stupidity. आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. तुम सीखना क्यों नहीं चाहते हो? So most of the people who are not commenting the answer of the question of the day. So why don't you want to learn? As you will not comment, so I will not come to know that how much you are learning from my videos. So you are supposed to be commented in the comment section below. मुझे डांट मत. So when a friend is scolding you, so you can say don't scold me. Don't scold me. The fault was yours, not mine. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. यहाँ कौन काम करेगा? Who will work here when everybody will leave from here? So who will work here? I'm not gonna work. So you have to stay with me. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. तुमने ये निर्णय क्यों लिया? Why did you take this decision? Why did you take this decision? We should take and make any decision with the help of everybody's opinion. तुम सबसे अच्छे हो. You are the best. You are the best. The best is showing the degree of superlative. Okay. You are the best. तुम ये कर सकते हो. When you are giving any motivation to somebody, when you are encouraging somebody, so you can use the sentence like this way. You can do it, bro. You can do it. हमें नौकरी कौन देगा? Who will provide us a job? Who will provide us मतलब कौन देगा हमें? Provide us a job नौकरी. सब कुछ हो रहा है. Everything is taking place. Now nothing is stopped. Everything is taking place. If you want to frame the sentence with the help of active passive, so you can say everything is being taken place. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. So these were some daily using the sentences. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget the like button. If you're new on this channel, must subscribe to English Ka Gyan YouTube channel because I upload video regularly on this channel to make your English better. So I try my best to upload a video for all of you guys so that you can get out the sentence from there. So I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget the like button. If you're new on this channel, must subscribe to English Ka Gyan YouTube channel. So I will meet you and catch you in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and share this video with a friend whoever wants to learn English with these types of daily use English sentences, because this is one of the best ways if you want to practice your English. I'm just gonna provide you those sentences which are necessary while having conversation with somebody. So this is I think the one of the best ways to make you understand, and you will not feel hesitated at the moment because you don't need to translate the sentence and sentences which are necessary. You will need to speak out. You will already have the translation of those sentences in your mind because I teach you every day and the sentences are very amazing. I hope that, and I will meet you and catch you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking my video. Meet you next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.